Hey guys, welcome back to Indulge from Dimples. Today I got something that you're gonna like. Alright, so I'm not gonna tell you, I'm gonna keep it a surprise because I wanna know if you watching my videos. Are you liking, subscribing, turning on your notifications, and leaving a comment down below? And if you are, then I know you watched this whole video. So that's one thing I'm about to tell you. But I'm not gonna tell you what we're cooking. Pretty much you should know because you clicked on it by the title, and hopefully you like it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up because I really appreciate it. And let's get into this video because I'm ready to eat. It's early in the morning. Y'all know it gets dark late. I gotta get up like the crack of dawn to get these meals popping. So let's head into that kitchen and get this popping. Alright guys, welcome back to Indulge in the Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking our own little Thanksgiving specialty meal. I told you it's a couple days later. We didn't make Thanksgiving, but you know, you go over everybody's family house and eat it. So let's just get into the rundown. So I went and I purchased some turkey wing portions. This right here. You can actually purchase these from the store. They have the necks, the thighs, the wings, and the legs already cut up and separate for you. I got the wings. And in the wings, you get 4 in a pack, and they're very nice size portions. So you want to get that. And it's simple and it's easy, and you can get them. Now, when I got them, I opened them up, I washed them, I made sure I didn't cross-contaminate anything. And this is how they look when they come out. So, I'm going to tell you the seasonings that I put in here to make sure that we marinate them overnight because they are going to be delicious. So, get you some Italian seasoning, dressing, and this is what I put in there. And I just poured it over there, over the chicken wings, and then I put some of my favorite. Y'all know this is my favorite. I put that in there. So, once you put that in there, you want to get you a bowl and lay them in there. 4 of them came in there, and I just laid them in there, and I shook them up. And I let them sit overnight. Easy cleanup. I'm going to get a pan right here. I'm going to get this pan right here. And all I'm going to do is just get a little bit of oil. And I'm going to pour a little bit of the oil into my mixture. Because I want these to be crispy. So maybe a tablespoon of oil in there. And I'm just going to put the lid back on there. And I'm going to shake it around. Make sure you got the lid on there, y'all. Shake it around. These smell delicious. Take them and take them out and layer them on your sheet pan or whatever you're going to cook them in. Make sure they're not touching or overlapping because you want these to cook really well. You want to preheat your oven to 375. You want to make sure you cook your turkey wings to 170. And then once they get done cooking and they reach temperature 170, you want to put them on broil on high so you can get that crispiness. And you just want to do that for about 5 minutes on each side. Take them out, and baby, these things are going to be like crispy good, like you've been on the grill. It's going to have all these good, nice flavors. Now you can season them with whatever you want, but I choose to use this type of seasoning because, you know, I ain't used it before. So yeah, this is what they look like. That's a nice size chicken wings. And then this leftover seasoning, you just pour it on top. Now if it's too much, you don't want to pour it on top. You just want to put a little bit. But I just want this to be very tender, juicy, and delicious. And if you let it marinate for about an hour or 2 in the refrigerator and then take it out to be room temperature, that's really good. But if you can let it sit overnight, baby, you got you a party. You got you a party. So 375. You want to cook these. Let them hit Let them hit temperature 170. That means they're done. Put on broil on high, and when we come back, I'm gonna show you what these bad boys are looking like. All right. Alright guys, so now we're going to make us a side. Everybody have mashed potatoes and gravy and dressing. I'm not about to redo dressing over. I'm going to eat dressing, period. But I will do mashed potatoes. So, we're going to do cauliflower. Cauliflower is the main staple when you're trying to do low carb or keto friendly, or you're just trying to keep it healthy and good and nutritious. So, you're going to get you a head of cauliflower. You're going to need a knife. You're going to need some boiling hot water, which I have going over here. Let me show you. boom, if you can see it, my water is boiling. I'm not for sure if you've seen it or not, but it's boiling. So I got a head of cauliflower right here. And in the head of cauliflower, all you're going to do is make sure you cut off the green stem, which is this. In the back, you're going to cut this all off. So you can actually just peel them back first. And then once you get done peeling them back, you can go ahead and cut the stem off. And then when you cut the stem off, you want to go ahead and cut the cauliflower into nice bite-sized pieces and dump them in your water. And you should have a bowl of cauliflower. Rinse these off, and then you're going to go ahead and dump them in the hot water. Alright, so I have my boiling hot water right here. I let it come up to a boil. And all I'm going to do is just add some Himalayan salt in here. And then I'm going to dump in my cauliflower and let it boil till it gets real soft and tender. And you can cut them smaller. They can cook fast, so you can keep them that big of chunks and just drop them in here. Put a lid on it and let it boil. When we come back, we're going to show you, well, I'm going to show you how to make the next step to the cauliflower, and I'm going to show you what our turkey wings are looking like. Alright, so you just see me take out the cauliflower from the boiling water, which is right here, and I'm just going to show you a couple ingredients that we're going to use to make these delicious cauliflower mash. Now, the goal to this to get them whipped is to use a hand blender or blender, which we're going to use, and also we're just going to use a couple extra ingredients to make it flavorful. So if you use regular milk, go ahead. If you don't use regular milk in your household, use whatever milk that you tend to use. I use almond milk. It's unflavored and it's original and it has no sweeteners in it. I'm going to go ahead and bust out and put some of this in there. It wouldn't be me if I wasn't able to add some extra stuff. It doesn't have salt in it. Garlic salt, because we're going to make garlic potatoes. A little bit of heavy whipping cream. And if you do not add salt to your water, you can use unsalted butter or salted butter. And then from there, we're going to get this moving. So just watch me throw everything in this cauliflower, and you're going to be like, what a day, what a day. Let's go ahead and taste these bad boys. Okay, they getting there. Yeah, these are looking like mashed potatoes. There you go. Found the flavor missing. So I just added a little bit of this in there, which is good, and it got it kicking. So these are our mashed potatoes. When we come back, I'm going to show you our whole plate mixture put together, and it's going to be delicious. Now, if you want to step it up a notch, all you have to do is put this in a baking pan, put some cheese in there, and bake it for a little bit. OMG, you're going to have you a nice twice baked smash. But I'm just going to leave them like this, and when we come back, I'm going to show you what our turkey wings look like. Alright guys, so everything is done for our after dinner Thanksgiving. So this is after Thanksgiving. You didn't cook your Thanksgiving, but you like, man, I still got a taste of Thanksgiving food. So clearly I just got some turkey wings right here. I told y'all what we put into them, and look how delicious they turned out to be. They look better than the family members that you went over to, and they're gonna taste better, okay? And then mashed potatoes, what? No, cauliflower mash. Look at that. Just sprinkles a little salt and pepper on top, and bam, it's looking delicious. So all you have to do is just get you a nice little fork and spoon. I'm gonna taste this for y'all right now. I just put it in there so it can be cute. Yeah. If you follow this recipe like I had it, oh, look at my voice changing because it's so delicious. If you follow the recipe that I had, you're not gonna miss your mashed potatoes, because this, get your voice together, because this right here tastes delicious, and this right here, we're about to taste it in a minute. And I mean, I know I can show y'all. Look, I can show y'all. Now, one thing I want to tell you: make sure you get a thermometer, a food thermometer. I put it up, and it has to cook to 170. Once it cooks to 170, these bad boys are done. Look at that. Look at that. Look, I'm about to just get a little piece for y'all. I hate to do it. I'm gonna go on the back side because I don't want nobody to know I've been digging in it. Look at that. Y'all, where my mama at so I can smack her? Alright, till next time, like, subscribe, join, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you made it, what tweaks that you did too to make yours a little bit better. Until next time, I'll see you next Sunday with a new uploaded video.